Hey. I was hoping to get some armor made for my boys.
A pauldron would be in order.
Yeah. I was hoping for maybe a full set of armor. I brought some PLA for the 3D printer.
This was gathered in the Great Purge.
Oh?
It is good it is back with the tribe.
Tribe? You're not part of a cult or anything, are you?
The excess will sponsor many foundlings.
Foundlings? Does that mean children? Then, yes. Foundlings. This is for my foundlings.
I know. I can form a full cuirass. This would be in order for your station.
Oh, good.
I must warn you, it will draw many eyes.
Oh, yeah, good. I want more people to subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I was hoping maybe more people would see the Mandalorian Helmet video.
Have you ever removed your helmet?
Oh, this isn't my helmet. I made this for my kit. For my foundling.
As it should always be. The foundlings are the future. This is the way.
This is the way. All right, let's go. Oh, yeah. Too tight for me, but it's not for me. Don't need that, don't need that, don't need that. Pretty nice, really. Would you look at that beauty? A little small for me, but perfect for little buddy. So, got everything primed with the filler primer. Now we're going to use Rust-Oleum Metallic paint plus primer. And then once that dries, we'll do some black acrylic, maybe mix it with some water, thin it out, make it look weathered, battle worn. Well, this is what happens when you leave paint out in the freezing cold garage. Let's try this. Beskar. Yeah. Now we've got a teeny bit of water with more black paint. Oh boy. That escalated quickly. Leave some black behind in there. Battle worn Beskar. This is gonna be messy, but that's the look we're looking for. So I've tried matte finish, satin finish, and semi-gloss. And no matter what I do, it dulls this metallic, which, it's Star Wars. See, that's not so bad. Fine.
Mando!
Grief Karga! Pretty sweet armor, am I right?
Oh, that was fast.
Not bad. I mean, I could have made it better with a little bit more Bondo, maybe some more sanding. I don't really like the sand. It's coarse and rough. You get it.
They all hate you, Mando. Because you're a legend.
I'm not Mando, and you know, I don't know about all this legend stuff.
They're all weighing the Beskar in their minds, but not me. No. I, for one, I celebrate your success.
Thanks, Grief. I really appreciate that.
How can I show my gratitude to my most valuable partner?
Well, I was wondering if maybe you had any ideas for some new projects. You know, what am I going to do next?
Next job. Enjoy yourself. I'll take you to the Twilight healing baths.
Grief? That sounds a little weird.
Enjoy your rewards. Buy a camp to know of spice. By the time you come out of hyperdrive, you will have forgotten all about it.
Dude, I make toys for my children. What are you talking about?
Sure, fine. You hunters like to keep busy, right?
I'm not a hunter. I'm a maker. Maybe I'll just go.
Hold on.
Oh.
There is one job.
Is this where you give me one of those puck things or something?
No puck.
Dang.
Do you want the chit or not?